Hey everyone, Dan with Mac Rumors, and in this video we're going to take a quick look at a couple of the Apple Watch Series 4 exclusive watch faces. So recently we released a video going over all of the new watch faces that were available with the new watchOS 5 update, but there are two new watch faces that are exclusively available on the new Apple Watch Series 4. The first watch face that we're going to take a look at is the Infograph watch face. Because of the larger display on the new Series 4, the Infograph watch face can display a ton of information with support for up to 8 watch complications. These watch faces can also be customized to your liking, so all you have to do is simply 3D touch the watch face and then select Customize. The first thing that you can change is the color of the ring, and I have to admit it is a pretty subtle change, but you could use the digital crown to scroll through all of the potential options. Then once you find the option that you like, go ahead and swipe over to access the different complications that are scattered throughout. So in each quarter, it has an option for a complication. Plus there's also 4 located in the middle. Again, if you use the digital crown, you can go ahead and scroll through options like air quality index, UV index, weather, favorite contacts, activity, workouts, walkie-talkie, and much more. Unfortunately, there aren't a whole lot of third-party applications that are available right now to take advantage of these newly arranged complications, but I'd imagine that in a couple of months, developers will update their apps in order to work with this watch face. The modular Infograph watch face also contains a hefty amount of complications, but the main difference here is that there is a larger complication located right in the middle. Now this will allow you to see slightly more information and/or graphics with activity, calendar events, and even a 5-hour weather forecast. These new watch faces on the Apple Watch Series 4 certainly offer up a lot more customization options and flexibility when it comes to personalizing your Apple Watch, and I personally look forward to seeing what new watch faces might be coming out in the near future. So go ahead and let us know what you think of these watch faces in the comment section down below. This has been Dan with Mac Rumors. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.